City living often means limited space, but don't let that stop you from creating your own green haven. Urban gardening is booming, transforming balconies, patios, and even windowsills into thriving edible landscapes. Imagine stepping outside to pluck fresh herbs for your dinner. Or picture vibrant flowers adding a splash of color to your concrete surroundings. With a little creativity, you can cultivate your own little piece of paradise, no matter how small your space. Urban gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing a connection with nature. It's about slowing down, appreciating the simple things, and nurturing life in the heart of the city. Limited space? Think vertical. Walls, fences, and railings become opportunities with vertical gardening. Hanging planters, stacked pots, and wall-mounted systems transform bare surfaces into lush gardens. Vertical gardens are perfect for growing herbs, strawberries, and even small vegetables like lettuce and cherry tomatoes. They add visual interest, maximize space, and create a stunning green display. Plus, they're easy to maintain and harvest. Containers are the urban gardener's best friend. From classic terracotta pots to repurposed buckets and barrels, almost anything can become a home for your plants. Choose containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Consider the mature size of your plants when selecting pot sizes. Group containers together to create a mini garden, or spread them around your space for pops of greenery. Container gardening offers flexibility. You can move your plants around to catch the sunlight or bring them indoors during harsh weather. It's a versatile way to create a thriving garden in any urban setting. Not all plants are created equal, especially when it comes to urban gardening. Opt for compact varieties that thrive in containers or vertical gardens. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary are excellent choices. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale are also well suited for small spaces. Cherry tomatoes, peppers, and even dwarf fruit trees can flourish in containers with proper care. Consider your local climate and sunlight conditions when choosing plants. Research varieties that are known to be resilient and productive in urban environments. Section 5. Sunlight Solutions. Bright ideas for shady spots. Limited sunlight? Don't despair. Many plants thrive in partial or even full shade. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce prefer cooler temperatures and do well with less sun. Herbs like mint, parsley, and cilantro tolerate shade. For flowering plants, consider impatiens, begonias, or fuchsias. These shade-loving beauties will add color and life to your urban garden. Remember, even shade-tolerant plants need some sunlight to grow. Observe your space throughout the day to determine the areas with the most light and position your plants accordingly. Section 6. Watering Wisdom. Keeping your plants hydrated. Watering is crucial for any garden, but it's especially important in urban environments where plants may dry out quickly due to wind and heat. Check your plants regularly and water them when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. Water deeply, ensuring the water reaches the roots. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Consider using self-watering containers or drip irrigation systems to ensure your plants stay hydrated even when you're away. Mulching around your plants can also help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Section 7. Organic fertilizers, nourishing your urban garden. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. In urban gardens where soil quality may be poor, organic fertilizers are essential for providing nutrients. Compost, worm castings, and aged manure are excellent organic fertilizers that enrich the soil and promote plant growth. They also improve soil structure and water retention. Liquid fertilizers, such as seaweed extract or fish emulsion, provide a quick boost of nutrients and are easily absorbed by plants. Apply fertilizers according to package instructions and avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage plants. Section 8. Conclusion. Grow your own green space. Urban gardening is a rewarding and accessible way to connect with nature, even in the heart of the city. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform any small space into a thriving green oasis. Start small, choose the right plants, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, learn from your experiences, and watch your urban garden flourish. Share your urban gardening tips and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create more green spaces in our cities.